This is part 48 of Bootstrap tutorial. In this video, we'll discuss what to do if the Bootstrap scrollspy plugin is not working. Many of you have sent me emails saying you have used exactly the same code that we discussed in our previous video but could not get the scrollspy plugin to work. Chances are you might be missing the doctype declaration. Doctype declaration is required for the scrollspy plugin to work. Notice at the top of our HTML file we've got the doctype declaration. At this point, the scrollspy plugin works as expected. Notice as we scroll up and down, the respective links within the nav bar are highlighted. But the moment we remove this doctype declaration and when we reload this page, first of all notice the last link within the nav bar is highlighted, and as we scroll up and down, nothing happens, so the scrollspy plugin is not working. But the moment we put it back in place and when we reload, it starts to work again. So the first step is to make sure you have that doctype declaration. This doctype declaration designates this file as HTML5 and the scrollspy plugin should start to work. Even after this step, if the scrollspy plugin is still not working, then make sure the element with DataSpy attribute has the position style set to relative. In our example, it's the body element that has got the DataSpy attribute. And if you notice within the style section, we have set body element's position to relative. Even after this second step, if the scrollspy plugin is still not working, then use scrollspy method to manually add the scrollspy plugin using JavaScript instead of using data-attributes. Let's now flip to Visual Studio and scroll all the way down to our jQuery ready function. It's the body element that we want to spy on. So first, let's find the body element, and on that, let's call scrollspy method. We need to specify two options for this method, and those two options are target and offset. The value for target option is the ID of our navbar, and the value for offset is the default value 10. So let's go ahead and specify those two options. First, let's specify the target option. So the value for the target option is the ID of our navbar, which is main navbar. And the value for the offset option is going to be the default value 10. Since we have added the scrollspy plugin manually using JavaScript code, there is no need for these data-attributes. So let's go ahead and delete all these three data-attributes. Let's save our changes, reload our web page. Now notice the scrollspy plugin is working exactly the same way as before. Here is the JavaScript code that we just discussed. Thank you for listening and have a great day.